Good morning, everybody. Sorry I'm late right now. I was posting something over there on TikTok. Got to get everything set up so we're ready to go. Just give me 2 seconds here and we will be solid. I know I'm late. Sorry about that. Let's see here. Got to set this up. Darn it, man. Now, actually, so busy this morning. I don't even have any water. This is going to be ridiculous. I should have come on even later so that I could actually have some water. But it's all right, man. We got nothing but the bros in here right now. You guys are solid and understand what's happening. So we're good to go. Gotta fix this, gotta fix this, gotta fix this. Boom! Was posting on the... Yeah. No, actually, that was about 10 minutes ago, JB. That was about 10 minutes ago, man. So we should be good for the entirety of this stream now. Let's see. Are we here? We are here. Wore a green shirt today because, the market was going to be green today. Yeah, it was going to be green today until inflation happened. Anyway, let's see if we get in the chat right now. We got Frank, CFE, first in the chat, man. Nick F, what's going on? Samanino, first in the chat. FIRST, maybe. City Wit, one and only Bronson. Nick F, what's going on? Zero to buy rate. Frank, Dark Bro. I even told you, and you're... Dude, Nick F, yeah, I'm going to... Listen, you guys want a little rundown in the morning? Okay. Recorded a video. Dad calls. Talk to dad. Wanted to record a TikTok. Recorded a TikTok. Nick F's like, where are you? I'm going to the bathroom. Gotta edit this TikTok. Gotta get the TikTok out there. Post the TikTok at like 11:53. And now we are here. We're good to go. So now that you guys have the rundown in the morning, what are you going to do about it? What are you going to do? Like, it just happened the way it happened, man. You guys messed up my spam. Darn it, Simon. You get it next time. Broski, what's going on? JB, what up, people? One and only Bronson. We got JB, Simon, JB. Gosh, is it Jorge, George? Let's call him George, man. George, you're going to be George, dude. I don't want to mess up anybody's name, and you're a George. JB, what's going on? JB, George, Sean, Dark Bro, Sean. Rocky, what's going on? Rocky, we've got JB, Adam, Randy, JBC. We've got Tand, JB, Matthew, JB, Dinosaur Canoe. Peace, baby. What's going on? Yogi, 11 of Simon. How was your weekend? Nick F, my weekend was great, dude. My weekend was great. Dude's asking on a Tuesday how my weekend was. But my weekend was amazing. Anybody else get to hang out with Nick F over the weekend? No. I did, though. Adam, what's going on? London, Randy, Giovanni, and Tanned Mama. Mamba, not Mama. Oh, yeah, you guys can kind of see what's on my mind right now. Tanned Mama? Tanned Mamba is the name that we've got going on over there. Oh, boy, you ignored me yesterday. I will never ignore you, Nick F. Never. I really will never ignore Nick F. Nick F's the man. All right, guys, what do we got here? Let me just get situated. So I got YouTube open so we can see the live stream here on YouTube. Good deal. 68 people, only 16 likes. Do better than that. The market. Let's take a look at the market really quick before we get depressed with ourselves. AMC down 5.28%, sitting at $9.67. Shiba, $12.22. GameStop, $27.82. QQQ getting ripped 4.21% today. Anybody that would have bought puts doing very well today. The puts that expire tomorrow actually are up about 6x right now from yesterday's close. So congratulations to anybody that got in yesterday's close and you're still holding. You are up about 6x on a lot of those puts. The NASDAQ down 4% on the day. Difficult, man. BR Therapeutics break even at 69 cents. Ethereum, Shiba, and Bitcoin all getting ripped today. It's because of inflation. Sundial sitting at 268. Mullen down 5.5 to 54 cents. CEI 31 cents. SPY 397. BBIG $1.14. Highcroft Mining up 17% to 93 cents. Coming back down a little bit from $1.09, man. Highcroft extremely volatile. Netflix sitting at 221.88. We got Clovis sitting at $1.43. Boxed down 10% to 98 cents. Revlon 660. We got Terra Luna Classic sitting at 37,700. Terra Luna Classic's the only thing moving, man. I guess Highcroft Mining is as well, but I don't know anybody in here that's in Highcroft. Only reason we got that on the chart is so we can see what AMC's position's looking like. QQQ down 4.26%, 297.52. Very difficult day. And Ape down similar to AMC today, 507 on Ape, 538 on AMC. Let's watch Terra Luna Classic because we want good news, not bad news. And I can already feel that I might start sneezing. So if things get weird, You guys just know you can turn the volume down. Where's Luna's moon? The Luna's moon is right outside of orbit at the moment, man. All I know is LUNC is letting off some of the shots right now. Boom, 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 boom. Yes, it is. And we're going to have a good day, man. It's a good day for me. 100 Bronson. Click. You're running in a massive puts today on the QQQ. Glad I did those 299 puts. 100 Bronson. I actually did not get in on any puts today. Dude, I was so close to doing it yesterday before the close. I was going to buy puts that expired on Wednesday. I was so close to doing it. And I'm sitting here thinking, what if by some miracle, inflation comes in better than expectations? So I talked myself out of it. But I would have had a nice 6x gain at this point. I don't even know if I would have sat here until a 6x gain or not. But yeah, I would have had a 6x gain, dude. It would have been sick, but nope, didn't hit that yesterday. I talked myself out of it, man. And I would have been nervous watching it this morning. With the QQQ was at like 313 this morning before inflation data was released, and immediately just got rocked. And it went from 313 pre-market at about 8 o'clock to 297 right now. Think about that. So Bronson, man, doing very well. Hopefully you're enjoying your day, man. Morning, afternoon, everybody. JB, what's going on? Morning, Pika, Queen Pika in the chat. What's going on, Queen Pika? J-Bones, baby, 600 pounds so far today. All reinvested back in LUNC. Matthew Wheeler. Heck yeah, man. That's what I like to say. What's that you say? LUNC is dead? I think not. Dark, bro. LUNC definitely not dead, man. Bouncing back off those support lines almost perfectly. If we go out to this 1 hour chart, you can see this line right here, man. Look at this line of support that we've got sitting here. My goodness. Do I need to move it up a tick? Coming down here and bouncing beautifully off that support line and moving nicely over the last few hours here. So actually back above this little resistance line. So Terra Luna Classic could be using 35,000 points as a level of support right now. Looking pretty healthy this morning, up 25.78% right now. Very nice gains on the 1 hour chart. Very nice gains on if you're scrolling out about a couple hours here on a 1 minute chart. But yeah, man, nonetheless, Terra Luna Classic looking very good. And Dark Bro, thank you very much for the super chat, man. I did what you couldn't. I did them yesterday, and I talked myself into them during your last live stream. The one and only Bronson, man. I love it, dude. Look, it made perfect sense to me, right? It made perfect sense to me to get those puts. But I had a feeling, man, and that feeling should never have come, right? It's investing emotionally that kind of kicked me out of the game on that one. So yeah, you're absolutely right, man. You've got the inflation data. I actually would have thought that it maybe if it didn't go up the way that it did yesterday, I probably would have felt a little bit better about it. But I had, we were watching yesterday's gain, people buying into the inflation report, which I thought was strange because people typically sell off into the inflation report, and then the inflation report just busting all levels of support, man. So, Bronson, man, I hope you absolutely kill it. How long you letting them ride? You in? You got an exit already? What's up? What price will you take profit on LUNC? Mind of a milli. It's so tough, man, because I've been sitting here and I've kicked myself several times about taking profit too early on a lot of things. So I really don't have an answer at that point, or onto that question at this point. Might be something that we just let ride. Rocky, I'm doing well. How are you? Did Clay see your question? I did not. What was Rocky's question? Rocky, hi Pika, what's up? That one there. We got another one. We got another one from Rocky. Did I see it? Clay, do you have an answer about DK, Do Kwon, and the Terra Rebels? They spoke about LUNC and what they can do for the future of LUNC. In my opinion, Do Kwon is out and should be out from LUNC. So Rocky, the only thing that I've seen about them speaking are a few Twitter posts where it's like, Terra Rebels are in touch with Do Kwon. I haven't actually seen them talking about bringing Do Kwon back into the game and giving him any sort of a leadership role or anything like that. I will tell you this, man. I completely agree with you. I don't even think that Do Kwon should be a topic of conversation when it comes to Terra Luna Classic. You turn your back on a people like that? Come on, man. What are you doing? He's not rebuilding Terra Luna Classic. He's not doing anything for the project here. He should be focused on Terra Luna 2.0, and we should let him focus on Terra Luna 2.0. Simple as that, man. But I that's the only thing I've seen on it is a few Twitter posts about, rebels are in contact. I haven't seen what any of the contact is about or anything like that, though. And hey, man, it might be... I don't even know, man. It might be, like, harsh of me to say that, but at the same time, it's not really harsh, dude. The guy's got Terra Luna 2.0, so he can just go focus on that and let us focus on Classic. G'day, lunatics. What's going on, Chris? G'day to you. Trying to understand, if CPI would have been lower than 8%, does that mean the market would have gone bullish? Pink pearls on midnight. Theoretically, yes. Okay? So let's talk about that, because inflation could have come in at the 8.3% like it did, and it still could have been bullish. Why? Because the previous rate was 8.5%. So inflation still is falling from the previous peaks that we've had. However, because analysts were expecting 8.1%, the market had, and I say everything's on theory, right? Because this is in a perfect world, the way things should work. They don't always work out the way that they should. But in theory, the market had already priced in 8.1% inflation rate. So the rise over the last 4 days that we have seen, that was pricing in a drastic decline in inflation, going from 8.5 to 8.1%. And these investors, they really take these analysts' expectations like literal and make investment choices based on them. So when we saw 8.3, it was bad news. Even though it was lower than the previous reading, it was considered bad news because the market priced in that 8.1. So yes, if inflation came in at 7%, I mean, you could even use 7.9% if you want, but let's just be a little bit more drastic. If it comes in at 7%, that's excellent news, because maybe the raising of interest rates are working. Maybe all of this stuff coming together. Maybe inflation is falling. So inflation is taking care of itself. If it comes in lower, that's awesome news. Also, interest rates coming in at a lower than expected rate would have meant that the Federal Reserve is likely not going to be as aggressive on raising interest rates at their next Federal Reserve meeting. So instead of seeing a 75 basis point increase, we may have seen a 25 to 50 basis point increase. So that would have also excited investors into potentially buying and being even more bullish. So you are technically right that it would have or should have been a bullish scenario if inflation rate came in below 8.1%. Now, here's where things get tricky. People don't make a lick of sense. You can present somebody with a silver platter and say that we are going to, like, inflation rate is down to 5%. And people will somehow find a way to potentially make that bearish. It's still high. It's still up. Oh, well, they were increasing of interest rates really work, so they might hit it even harder to bring it down to the target 2% while they still can. Like, the fact that people don't make sense is really what causes a lot of confusion in the markets. But yes, you are right on a perfect world. Cassie in the chat, baby. JB is J Bro in the Discord. Morning Pika, yes, he is King Mom. Inflation Rate Reduction Act. What a joke. Yeah, man. Yeah. Yeah. Listen, regardless of who proposes what, I don't understand how increased spending would help inflation. Come on, guys. We know that increased spending causes inflation. So, yeah. Maybe not 296 because it just made a bear flag on the 1 minute. It should drop further. Boom, baby. Let's see it happen. We got QQQ sitting right here on the 1 minute. Oh, man, this 1 minute chart is just wild today to see such a drastic decline. Dude, going from 313 plus down to 297 is incredible. You up 4x, man? Are you up like 300% on these right now? I imagine you're somewhere in the 200 to 300% range on that gain right there. Phenomenal, dude. I don't even care if it's $100 stinking dollars, man. Phenomenal move. Getting into these puts right here. Here's what I'd watch out for, though, okay? This area right in here, if it is broke, I mean, I don't want to watch you ride it all the way back up to 299.70 to hit the next little level. So keep an eye on this level right here. Also, look at your daily trend line that you've got on this 1 minute chart here. See, that could be broken now. That could be broken, keeping that same trend. So just watch it, be a little bit more conservative. But I would, a steep trend like that, it's very hard to keep up. I would use this level at around 298.40 as a little bit more of a conservative potential profit, you know, if you want to watch it pull back. Just keep an eye on that one right there. Bro, are you using TradingView? What trading software are you using now? MJ, this is Webull that you see in the background right now. I really like Webull. Love the charts. Love the... dude, they have a lot of analysis. And even, I could probably upgrade this desktop version. I don't know when the last time I upgraded was. If you've got the mobile app, even if you don't use it, like even if you don't completely sign up for your brokerage account, use the link in the description in case you ever do want to sign up for a brokerage account. But download Webull if you guys want to simply use the charts. They actually have some sort of AI that works on all of their graphs. And I don't know if it's on the desktop version, I just haven't updated, or if it's on the mobile version or what. But dude, they point out you've got green squares, red squares, and gray squares that'll pop up on your charts. The AI system literally points out candlestick patterns, different types of chart patterns. You've got a bullish signal here because of this. You click on the thing and it breaks it out and draws all the lines on the chart for you to show you why that's a bullish pattern, why it's a bearish pattern. So very interesting platform. Even if you don't want to use Webull to trade, you know, I think they're a great charting platform. And even if you don't want to listen to the AI, man, you can still look at all this stuff yourself. Wait, just letting you know, I've timed out Sam twice now for posting pics of women in the Discord. He does it again, I'm banning him. Sam the man, Sam the bro, don't listen, man. Don't post pictures of literally anybody, man. You can post pictures of yourself if you want. Clothed, please. But that's exactly why you have to be a member to be able to post pictures. Because I know you guys like doing funny stuff. So don't be goofy if you're in the Discord. Like, it's a privilege to post a picture for that exact reason. I know you're going to be posting pictures of stuff that you shouldn't be posting, man. So don't do that. Don't be goofy. Post pictures of your stocks, of your whatever, your portfolio if you want. The scenery, man. Your dog, your cat, like your mouse, whatever you got as a pet, dude. Just keep it clean, man. All of you guys, not just Sam, but literally everybody. If you're thinking about posting something funny, don't do it. Don't do it. Let's see here. But Simon, even a dog can learn where the fence line is after getting shocked a few times. It's true, man. It's true. You don't even have to shock him that hard. Simon the man got banned. Don't. Yes, Sean. Guys, don't be bad. Let's see. Webull, best charting. Boom, baby. Hands down. Frank, I love it. And it is true. Like, if you guys want to use the link in the description for Webull, I think it's just like Webull/Claybro or whatever. Use the link. Use the link. If you end up signing up, you will get free stocks for doing so. But even if you don't, man, you're still going to have the charting there. Hey, Clay, are you from Poland or anybody from your family? Pinky, just funny movies. Depending on how far back you go, is like everything that I know, I'm saying no. But, dude, you only know so far back, man. Somebody from somewhere could absolutely be. Everything over there in Europe, man, it's just all too close together. That'd be like saying, well, you got family from Pennsylvania, don't you? I don't know, man. I don't know. I'm Ohio, born and bred. That's all I know. Ohio, Pennsylvania, Indiana, like West Virginia. Who the heck knows? Well, I do. North Carolina, yeah. I mean, you guys could go places and trace the family tree down there. But Poland, I have no idea, man. I don't know how far back it would go to see some Poland there. Why? Do I look Polish to you? Do I look Polish? Like, what do we got going on here? What kind of assumptions are being made? I saw 3 videos last night talking about AMC breakout because of yesterday. Tomorrow is now today, and another red day. Squeeze is really tomorrow. Chris, man, I love... Chris, here's the thing that people feed off that hype, and they know it. If they would have told you, I think in one of the videos that I talked about on Terra Luna Classic last night, which you may or may not have watched, I talked about the inflation rate coming out tomorrow and the fact that if it was above the 8.1%, it was most likely going to be, above the 8.5%, it was most likely going to be good news. Anything below it would have been, opposite way, sorry. Anything below the 8.1% would have been good news since we want lower inflation. Anything above the 8.1% would have likely been bad news. And we are I didn't think it was going to be this drastic. I would have thought it was this drastic if we saw something over 8.5%. But to me, today's move is a drastic move, man. It really is. If you're looking at the overall market, just bombing. This is 2 minutes. Let's look at 3 minutes here. 3 minutes going from 313.94 all the way down, dude, to 303, dropping 3%. The overall market in 3 minutes is insanity. So I would have expected something less than that, like a smaller decrease, but just absolutely getting blasted, man. I wouldn't have expected it to be this bad, but I did expect it to be bad if it came in above 8.1. So, Bronson, man, still up to you. I'm sitting here watching this line. I would hate to see it retrace and you walk away with you're still walking away with probably 100% gain. But I would hate to see you walk away with 100% gain as opposed to like a 200-300% gain. So, watch that line there. Nonetheless, man, it does look like it might see a little bit of steam here moving back up into the afternoon now. But you do have a red line on the 1 minute bar there. So, keep an eye on that and see what happens. Watching Terra Luna Classic for the moment right now. Hi, man. Appreciate your work. I have a question. How much time will it take to reach 50 cents or $1? Raheel, unfortunately, I can't answer you with an actual time frame. The best way that I can accurately answer that question is through seeing different achievements being accomplished. $1, I'm going to be honest with you. I would imagine we need to burn somewhere between 95 and 99% of the supply of Terra Luna Classic if you expect it to reach that price range anytime relatively soon. Dude, if you're talking 20 years from now and the entire crypto market's trading at $100-200 trillion because inflation's ran rampant for the last decade, and a burger cost you $100. Terra Luna Classic, yes, could be at $1 with no burns. So there's a lot to consider with that. But if you want it to happen relatively soon, I would say 95 to 99% burns. That at $1 gives you roughly a 60 to maybe $120 billion valuation. So you kind of place your time frame on there as to when you think that Terra Luna Classic can burn that many tokens and we start to see some gains come back into the crypto space. And that'll be the time frame you're looking at there, man. If you think it can happen quickly, like a year or something, perfect. I hope it does. If you think it's going to take 5 years, that might be a little bit more reasonable to think of a time frame like that. But really, nobody knows. You're going to have to look at the list of achievements that need to be done to reach those levels rather than just the time frame. I'm debating doing my bi-weekly long-term investing today rather than Friday. Thoughts, everybody? My thoughts are long-term investing, man. I don't think it's going to make a huge difference long-term. But QQQ suffering a pretty big loss today. If you're looking for a better entry, I actually don't think it's impossible, man. It is sitting in some decent support right here at this line that we've got at 298 right here, 298.20 or whatever this line's at, right where the QQQ is sitting. But if you want some more near-term support, I don't think it would be impossible to come back down and retest 292 this week if people do continue to worry. One of the things that I would keep in the back of your mind that I don't know when it is the next Fed meeting. The next Fed meeting, man, the next Fed meeting can push us back down to 280 on the QQQ if they come in heavy with a decent interest rate hike and some negativity talk there. That could absolutely push us back down to that 290 range or 280 range. Hui! I got into AMC and Shiba for the gains. Haven't made crap. Now I see Bronson talking about 400% gains. I'm about to throw up, dude. 400% gains, man. I love it. Bronson, I got tapped out at 400. Yeah. Let me tell you this, though, Chris, okay? Right after I'm going to hit that super sticker, and I do want to talk about those gains really quick. Skinner! Thank you for the... Keep it up. Keep it up. Keep it up. Keep it up. Whew. Oh, my God. Skinner, dude. Thank you very much for the super sticker. Let's talk about these options gains really quick, though, guys. Because, yes, these options gains are very enticing, especially if you want some short-term magical numbers to be hit. The QQQ. The QQQ, we know, is down 4% on the day. And we are looking at 400% options gains on the day. It is true. I was looking at them earlier, and you're talking 4, 5, 6, depending on which contracts you bought, you're talking 4, 5, 6x gains. And if we come out here to see the options chain on the QQQ, we can see that these options that expire tomorrow are currently up 500, 550, 546, 556, 561, 557% gains in since the market opened today. We've been open for less than 3 hours. So these gains, 500+% gains over the last 3 hours. If you would have gotten in at yesterday's close, you are up basically 5, 6x. Now, here's the thing that we have to remember. Options are very, very risky. If you would have thought that it was going up in value and you would have bought a call, all of a sudden, man, your position lost 83, 86, 87, 80, 77, 73% just in the last 3 hours. If you come out, man, and you look at this... is it going to show us the graph? I don't know if it'll show us. Maybe we get the chart open here. Nope. I never know why it doesn't bring up the graph here. I don't want it to bring up an order form. Oh, here we go. All right. So if you're looking at these calls, man, and you would have gotten into these calls on... Let's go an hourly chart. You can see that yesterday, these calls did very well. Imagine buying this call option at $12.55 yesterday, and you wake up today, and it opens up down here at $4. Within the hour, it's trading at $3.40. Right now, it's trading at $2.11 per contract, and you bought it just yesterday at $12.55. Now, here's the crap part about options. If it doesn't get back above, these are 299s, right? If it doesn't get back above $299 by tomorrow, this option is going to expire worthless. Literally 100% of your gain, or 100% of your investment has been lost, wiped out. If you're holding stocks, you can hold them forever. If you're holding options, you can only hold them until the expiration date. So yes, it is very nice to see that you could have been up 500%. Let's see if we got the... Yeah, it's very nice to see that yesterday you could have got into these options at 40 cents, but today they're trading at 252. Topping out, man, at 312. Imagine riding that from 40 cents to $3.12. That's like the day that I got in at 18 cents, sold it at 24 cents, and watched it go to $3.40 in the same stinking day. So options can be great. Options will actually provide you with better trading opportunities, short-term gains, and short-term losses than literally any stock will. I don't care if you guys are trading these IPOs. These options move like this every single day. So it is something to consider, but don't forget the guy, man. Don't forget the guy that bought the call yesterday at $12, and he's sitting on $1.80 right now, as opposed to the guy that bought the put, and he bought it for 40 cents, and he's sitting at $2.50 right now. So it does go both ways, man. Options are extremely risky, and the leverage is there. And it does seem like it wants to bounce back off this level of resistance that we got, so we're going to see what the market has ended up doing here. But nonetheless, Bronson absolutely destroyed it, man. Bronson destroyed it with a 400% gain. But before I potentially get annoyed, potentially waste my time, Team I just posted a video and they found it. This could be big. Talking about AMC and Highcroft. Haven't watched because obviously in here. What do they find, man? Gold? They find some gold this morning? Is that why Highcroft was up to $1.09 and now it's back down to 93 cents? I want to know what they found. I don't know what they found either, though, Chris. Oh, gosh. Did they find the MOAS? Is that what they found? I just blew straight up. Why? I have no idea, Giovanni. I have no idea. Anybody else know? I haven't seen it. Also have a put option for 306. It expires on the 16th on the QQQ. Nice, man. That is what? That is Friday expiration date. Expiring on Friday for 306. You letting it roll, man? Yeah, this guy's crazy. This guy's crazy. I hope it destroys for you, dude, and you make a killing on that there. Heck yeah, Pudgy. Pudgy, what's going on, man? Glad to have you in here. How's school, Pudgy? Hope fun. Good deal, man. Small hammer, red bar, and I think it is going up for Luna in the next 15 minutes. Danny Coat. I hope so, man. We want to see some gains. Peak of power. Thank you very much for the... Oh, no, we gotta go big. Thank you very much, Pika, for the super sticker. Really appreciate all the super stickers. You guys are absolutely amazing. Highcroft found gold. Pringle told me. About time, man. They're a freaking gold mine. Question is, you can find it, but can you get it out of the ground? I love it. Junior, always coming in asking about news on Voyager. I actually have no new news. Somebody was telling me yesterday, but I did not look into it, that they were being auctioned off here pretty soon. Does anybody know if Voyager is being auctioned off here pretty soon or not? Gold is a good guess, because the thumbnail is of a gold mine with a shiny light, as one would assume gold was there. Very interesting. Dude, it's one thing to find gold, but it is another to get it out. So if you find $10 billion worth of gold, that is awesome. But you got to get that gold out of the ground. And it's not, you can't just go dig with a shovel and get that gold out of the ground and have $10 billion. These people, they buy trucks, dude, that are the size of like commercial warehouses. So it's very expensive to get that gold out of the ground. If you find $10 billion worth of gold, it's going to cost you $9 billion in 5 years to get it out of the ground. I mean, it's clearly worth it because you're making $1 billion, but it's not as exciting when you know you're making $200 million a year as opposed to making $10 billion. So a lot to think about in the gold mining industry, but good news, man. They still are up 15% today, so I like it. Multiple zones of higher grade silver encountered higher gold and silver grades and resources. Average grade, higher grade zones, more continuous than previously interpreted. Nice. Cassie. Listen, it is good news, so I just hope they can get it out of the ground. Sorry, put you in the Discord too. Heck yeah. Michael! Fist, bump, fist, bump, fist, bump, fist, bump. Thank you very much, Michael. Really appreciate that fist bump there, man. Ooh, dude, time to get moving. My watch says it's time to get moving. We'll do it again. Fist, bump, fist, bump. Fist bump. Somebody got to give me another workout, man. We got to make sure that we start moving. This watch is yelling at me over here. PH Kit, love your vids. Always comment. Hardly ever catch your live streams. Today's a good day. Peace and love to all worldwide. Never. Gosh, I love this PH Kit guy. Never stop chasing your dream. Dude, PH Kit, you need to make a habit of getting in the live streams a little bit more often, man. We need you in here. Look at this. I love it. Bro needs to lay off that. Actually, Shane, I have not had a pop. I want to say since probably 2005. I want to say since probably 2005, man. It has been a very long time. I can remember the last one I had. Myrtle Beach vacation. It was a Dr. Pepper, and I'm pretty sure it was at the Southern Supper Buffet. We had bought a bunch of pop on the vacation, clearly. I don't even know, 2005 maybe. Think about how old I was. I don't even know what it would have been. Sophomore in high school, junior, I don't know. Go on vacation. Dude, all the pop in the condo was drank in like the first day. Your mom, of course, mom's like, I can't believe you guys drank all that pop. We're not buying any more pop for the rest of the week, blah, blah. And she didn't, man. And she didn't. Southern Supper. Dr. Pepper. I remember it like it was yesterday. Drank that Dr. Pepper and made a decision. You know what? I can go the rest of the week with no pop. Solid. And then I've got this problem. With streaks. I went a week with no pop. And I said, if I can go a week with no pop, I can go 2 weeks with no pop. If I go 2 weeks with no pop, I can go a month with no pop. And dude, how can you break a month-long streak? And then all of a sudden, you go a month. That month turns into a year. Dude, now it's been like a darn decade. Well, over a decade. 2005 is a long time ago. It's been like 2 decades. So, yeah, that's the story. I haven't had pop in a long time. So this guy asked me if I've had any Coke. No, I've not had any Coke, dude, because I haven't had a pop in like 20 years. Dark Bro, thank you very much for the salt shaker. You pour that salt out on the table. You just pour it out, and then because it's good luck, you take it and you throw it over your shoulder. And then because it tastes so good. Oh, you gotta keep it away from your eyes, dude. It goes in your eyes every single time, and it stings. Dark Bro, thank you very much for the salt shaker. I'm drinking a pop of Dr. Pepper. Right meow, baby. Bronson. I love it, man. Soda. S-O-D-A. No idea what the heck that is. Hey, bros. Sober as they come, Shane. He's never even been drunk. Facts. Not even been drunk, dude. I've never even actually put alcohol in my mouth. So, what did the rates come in at today? Kenneth, the one that everybody's referencing, came in at 8.3%. 8.3% interest rate. Let's pull these bad boys up and see what you've got across the board there so we can see all of the interest rates. Where are we? We want US. All right, here we go. We got US interest rates up on the board right now. We have, come on, every time you click the ad, don't do it. All right, man, we've got US interest rates. Consumer Price Index on a monthly basis, rising 1%. Not good. We want it to go down. The rate that everybody's looking at, CPI coming in 8.3%. This is down from the previous month's number at 8.5%, but it is above expectations at 8.1%. If we're looking at the month-over-month increase, X food and energy, yeah, dude, we've still got some big ups there, rising 0.6% on a monthly basis. And if we're looking at this X food and energy, the previous month was 5.9%, and we are absolutely increasing. Not only did it beat consensus at 6%, it's rising, I would say drastically, man. That's almost, it's rising 6.3%, but that's basically a 10% increase from the previous month's number of 5.9% when you put it in terms like that. So very, very drastic increases in inflation rates. And so you're looking at 8.3%, and if you take out the food and energy, you're looking at an increase of 6.3% for the inflation rate. I'm telling you, man, bad news when it comes to inflation. Nobody likes paying more for things. Everybody likes paying less for things. Today's cold in Ohio. It is, man. 62 degrees outside. It says mostly sunny, but my computer is definitely lying to me on that one. It's mostly cloudy right now. Cold and red today. Oh my gosh, it is red, dude. It is red across the board. Streaks are good, but they are meant to be broken. It will pay you to take a sip live. $50 super chat. George Boy. George Boy, man. I could not do it if I stinking tried. I would feel like I betrayed myself, man. I could not, even if it was just a pop, right? Like a stinking Coca-Cola, Pepsi, I could not. Like Coke could call me up and say, Clay, bro, we got to have a video of you popping open a Coke, and we'll do a brand sponsorship, man. 10 grand for you to drink that Coke on camera. Dude, 10 grand would be nice to drink a Coke on camera. It would really be nice to drink a Coke on camera. Or Dr. Pepper. I would actually prefer it was Dr. Pepper, because I remember that Dr. Pepper was my favorite of the pops when I did drink them. But I would feel so bad that I gave up that like 20-year streak that I think the only way I could actually do it was if I drilled the bottom of the Dr. Pepper can out or something, and then filled it back up with water or iced tea or something that was dark in case you guys accidentally saw it. And then I might even have to make the noise when I pop it open, and then, cover the bottom back up and drink it. And then I would be lying to you guys. So I would feel conflicted if I did it. Dark Bro! Yes, man, I got to get a little workout in. Thank you very much for dumbbells. Oh man, my watch is gonna. Does it know I'm moving? No, it doesn't. Dark Bro, thank you very much for the workout, man. Keep me moving today, guys. I love it. I'm just sad, not because we dipping. Sad because I had a doctor appointment this morning. My doctor said, and my tacocology levels are way too high. Need to lay off the taco, so I fired my doctor. Bam! I'm not a quitter. John Jay, that's the way to go, man. When download day for Shiba, Redwood works. I actually don't know when they're releasing that game. We need download day to happen here pretty soon. I have my porch door open. My toes are starting to get chilly here today. It feels nice after that hot summer. Don't wish away the heat. Don't wish away the heat. We need the fall to hold off for all. Guys, don't wish nobody wish winter on us, please. Pepsi, baby. Paul says that's where it's at. Mexi Burn and LUNC off-chain while others follow. I don't think Binance wants to, as they own like 2 trillion LUNC. CD Wit, facts, man. But here's what I really don't know about whether Binance owns that LUNC or not. Does Binance own it? Or is that the LUNC that was deposited onto Binance? Now it's sitting in Binance wallets. I think that LUNC belongs to the traders that use Binance. And at that point, who the heck cares what Binance wants? It's not their money, man. If it was lent to them, okay, great. But my goodness, Binance, get a life, dude. You got to follow what the blockchain wants. But CDWit, I do think that MEXC will help. Here's the thing we got to look out for, though. If people just accept that these exchanges are not burning and they continue to use them, we gave up all our leverage, man. We gave up all our power. What do we really gain from that? If all of a sudden people are moving to MEXC Global, I'm going to have to get me a MEXC Global affiliate link here. if it turns out that KuCoin is acting a fool and KuCoin's not going to be burning 1.2%, I'm going to have to get a MEXC Global affiliate link and say, peace, KuCoin. You want some more customers? Get them from somewhere else. But yeah, we really got to support the guys that are supporting these burns. It's 89 here. Kenneth, I need your weather, man. 2 messages back from Pudgy. Me drinking Diet Pepsi right now. Dang it, man. I don't even know. Is it good? I'm drinking Dr. Pepper right now. Is it good? Is it the same? Is it the same as I remember when I was 15 years old, man? Way back in the day, I used to drink a Dr. Pepper. I need to know if it's the same, man. I need to know. Does it taste the same as it did 20 years ago? No Sam here, JB. Ban him here too. I don't know if he's been banned. I saw someone say he got banned, but not sure if it was right before I got him unmuted. He's not banned again, is he? I unbanned him the other day. If Elon Musk shows about LUNC and makes one Twitter post, Daniel, yeah, we would have a nice rally, but what I don't want to see happen is people associate Terra Luna Classic gains with Elon Musk. So the same way that they did with Dogecoin, I don't want to see that happen with Terra Luna Classic, man. So people were saying the same thing about Shiba Inu coin, right? And if you link your gains to basically one person like that, as soon as they either fall off board or as soon as they say something that people don't like, you can see a massive sell-off. And I don't want to see that happen with Terra Luna Classic. I would much rather the community build it up and support it over the long term than just having some one guy come in and make all the shots for it. Look at Pudgy's message about Matt's chair. Pudgy, Claybro, read my last. Yes. Pudgy. Claybro, did you see that Matthew Berry's chair hosting the live stream this morning? Even got a ton of likes. Dude, so what do I need to do, man? What do I need to do? Just like this right here? I just need to, and that's going to get more likes than anything else would get. Because we can do that. If you guys don't want to see a guy on stream, man, if you don't want to see a guy on stream, we can have the chair host it. We can even have the chair host it, big screen. We can even go big screen with the chair right here, man. No, I actually did not see that. But you guys are crazy. I really believe that you guys would actually rather see a lamp or a chair or something than some dude on stream, and I don't know why. I really don't know why. So somebody explain it to me if you can. Clay, I thought SQQQ was inverted of the QQQ. Why is that percent that drastically different? Actually, let's look. Because I don't know why it would be different unless, of course, it's leveraged. All right. Let's see. Pro shares, Ultra Pro, Short, QQQ. Let's see what we're looking at here. This does look like it's the 3x leverage version of the QQQ, okay? Dear God, if you got options here. All right, it does look like it's a 3x leverage of the QQQ, but let's see. Fund seeks to daily investment results that correspond to 3 times the inverse of the daily performance of the NASDAQ 100 index. So that's exactly what we got, man. I don't know why the options are a little less volatile than the QQQ options would be, unless, of course, so they got weekly options here. These are up about 200%. This would make sense if we're looking at 80% gains on the QQQ put options for Friday. QQQ still got better options than the SQQQ. But if you're looking at the SQQQ and you're wondering why the heck it's sitting on a 12% gain, it is the inverse of the QQQ. You are right, but it's a 3x leverage version of the inverse of the QQQ. So if you expect the QQQ to go down, you're going to be buying The SQQQ. If you expect the QQQ to go up, you're going to be buying the short QQQ. So that's the difference there, man. The options are still doing better. Options still have larger gains on the QQQ. Bro, its share is amazing. One of a kind. Yeah. I knew you guys would be liking that chair right there. I knew you would. It's better than the guy that sits in it. I carried the chat for a while, too. There's nearly 600 people talking to the... Dude, Pudgy just coming in here destroying my self-confidence. Saying, hey, man, you want to really do something on a live stream? Just let the chair do the talking. The mystery. Who is the face behind Banana? I mean, the voice. Yes, that is what we need to know, DD214. It's the mystery about these things that drives the intrigue. Pick up my 2-year-old is over here randomly singing your song. What? La pika pika, la pika pika, la pika 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 pika, la pika 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 pika. Oh my gosh, the DC 888. If we've only got 101 likes with 215 people in here, I'm gonna start crying. It's true. It's true. 101 likes. Everything started with Ugly Mac Horse when he was first started live streaming AMC. He was live, then he would just get up and walked away, leaving the stream on. You can only watch the chair. I think he went to It's possible, man. It's possible. If we were going to do that, I would definitely mute the mic, though. Rocky brought us back up. Rocky brought us back up into the audio because I was trolling you guys, and I just wanted to make sure. Yeah, I just wanted to make sure that somebody was paying attention. Rocky, you brought the audio back on, man. Really appreciate that. My goodness, the allergies are messing up today. So if I'm sniffling and it's gross, and I'm coughing and it's gross, sorry about that. Oh, man. Ever consider Salmon Man a dedication live stream? You need 2 things. No shirt, say bad words, 500 likes guaranteed. I have not considered doing that. No, John Jay, I have not considered doing that. This stream's got so much better. JB's about to get smacked, man. No, Mike Pika. Yes. Your name was mentioned by quite a few people who said you were a preferred channel to watch as well. That's what I'm talking about, Pudgy. I like it. Mute the mic. Play non-DMCA music in the background. That's what we got to do, man. That's what we got to do, Vertex. Moonshot. You liked it, didn't you? Why is there no sound? Daniel, I was trolling you guys, man. STSY. That was pretty smooth, wasn't it? My daughter loves that song. La Pika Pika. La Pika Pika. I liked the peace and quiet, so I just liked it. Stig Peter. Oh my God. We could be quiet, guys. I promise you, we could be quiet. I think I'll leave if he keeps the mute button left on. Luke, don't leave, man. I brought the mute button off. Luke, yes, we got Luke in Terra Luna Classic sitting at 37,100 points per coin right now. It was on February or March 2021. He just got up and left. Didn't say anything. Only chair was visible for like 30 minutes. Dang, dude. I would probably say, so like if you guys here, I'll just give you guys a little secret. Okay, there's 206 people in here. I feel like we're all close. If you see me start sweating, okay, it's because like I'm trying to not tell, like I'm trying to make it to the end of the stream and not tell you guys that I have to go to the bathroom. But if you see me like start actually sweating, and then all of a sudden I'm like, I'll be right back, and then I mean, you pretty much know at that point. Pretty much know. Like, what am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? You know at that point, man. You know at that point. And it all depends, right? It all depends. Do I come back? Maybe. Do I not come back? I don't know. We would figure that out when we get there. Do we have to cry in order to get our way? Luke, sometimes, man. Nice job, Rocket. You just want a brand new car. Neckbeard's on point today. Thank you very much, J-Bones. How's your neckbeard doing? Hopefully good. What's up with Shiba? Bosco, Shiba is with the overall crypto market right now. Shiba falling down drastically today. And you can see the Bitcoin doing the exact same thing, man. Bitcoin falling down drastically today. It's this inflation rate that came out and just destroyed markets. Look, you see it in Bitcoin. You're going to see it in the overall stock market as well. Boom! Destroyed in the overall stock market, man. So inflation playing a very large role in the declines that we are seeing today. And yes, we did have a slight pullback from 36,000 to 33,000 with that inflation rate coming out. But man, Terra Luna Classic, the only... we got Highcroft on here. BBIG's in the green now. But Terra Luna Classic is just really the only crypto that's in the green. But nonetheless, man, absolutely showing its positivity and showing its strength today, running higher the way that it is. Even if we close 1% in the green, we're going to be absolutely doing very well. LUNC still opposing the other crypto and rising. Pudgy, it absolutely is, man. That's a lot more impressive, I think, than a lot of people are like kind of playing it out to be, man. It really is impressive to go against the overall market like that, especially when you have a decent market cap and you're not just some little coin. Pika! Thank you for the super chat. Meow. 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 Thank you very much, Pika, for the super sticker. Hopefully you guys didn't get creeped out by that cat. But thank you very much, Pika. Really appreciate it. KW is what I'm playing tomorrow. I'll place my IPO order today and it lists tomorrow. Keith, dude, I hope you kill it, man. Keith, you got a strategy? You staying in, or are you getting out basically immediately when it opens, man? I want to know. I think LUNC is gonna fall down. Hey, it could. We've still got 7 days before we get the burn tax out there. And I think the burn tax is really providing the strength right now. So if people do get a little uneasy leading up into the burn tax, I think that's where the problem's going to come from. It could come down, yes, but I hope it goes up, man. The winning bid or bids will be revealed in a hearing scheduled for September 29th for Voyager after today's auction. Interesting, man. September 29th. It's going to be a good day. It's going to be a good day. Does that mean September 29th we get our money back? If we get our money back on September 29th, that's going to be pretty sweet. Yeah. Voyager auction buyouts today. Aces. Good deal. I'm not bidding on them. We should bid, man. We should just go raid all the live streams today on YouTube. And we really should go buy Voyager. Just pool all of us together, man. Pool all of us together. I don't care if you contribute $100 or $10 or $1, man. We should just pool everybody together and go out and buy Voyager. I think that'd be sweet, man. I do. I think it'd be sweet to go buy Voyager like that. D's, thank you for the super chat. We get D's, Chris, and Vertex. D's says, what's that salt look like? Pour it on the table, man. You pour that salt on the table, and you throw it over your shoulder for good luck because it tastes so good, you just... but every single time it leads to Clay Bros Peach. What? Harry Peach. Oh my goodness, Chris! Thank you for Claybro. Everybody can't, you can look, but only Chris can touch. Vertex, man. Thank you, Vertex, for the super chat. Thank you very much, Chris, D's, and Vertex for the super chats. You guys are absolutely awesome, man. Wait for Voyager CEO. Let's make it happen, DD214. Let's make it happen. I think we could rebuild that program. I think we rebuild it, dude. We could rebuild it. Especially if all of these people on YouTube got together. Like, think about that. If all of the YouTubers, if people posted videos, just used Voyagers or whatever you guys want to call it, the affiliate link out there, brought some customers on board, and everybody had some sort of an equity ownership, or we just ended up giving you like, I don't know, $100 worth of a VGX token for contributing and stuff like that. Dude, we could actually buy it. I really think we could. I mean, if you actually think about it for a second, if you just took the, like, let's just say just the crypto people that talk about crypto and all of their audiences, and everybody's just like, okay, I got $1, man, I got $5, I got 10, I got 100, like whatever you wanted to do, and then you go in and buy Voyager, that'd be sweet, man. That really would be sweet. Pump it up, bro. Let's go, Veritech. We gotta get that pump going on, baby. That's what you gotta do. Clay for Voyager CEO. I haven't brought him a couple grand. Hey, Moonshot. Listen, we'll run it right too. Any deposits are not loans. Deposits are yours. If any, you'd expect before the burn tax on LUNC. Chris, to me, it's going to depend. We've actually been handling this time very nicely in between staking and burn taxes coming back on. We've been handling this time very nicely. The point that I'm looking at, though, is 22,000 points per coin, man. I'm looking at 22,000 points per coin. So if we do pull back, that's my kind of major support line. I've got red on the chart. You can see it here if you want. I got that red line on the chart right here, just in case we do pull back. This was the major support line back here. And you actually, I'm not going to go all the way back, but you got to go all the way back to like May/June before you see 22,000 tested again. So that's what I'm looking at if it does end up coming back down. Sorry. All right, where are we at? Let's see, 29th for Voyager. So, Junior, today they are auctioning off Voyager. It does seem like either somebody is going to be buying all and Voyager is liquidating, and they are either going to own the platform, or Voyager is selling everything off. And actually, if you guys do know that, please let me know the difference. But so one of two things is happening. Somebody is buying Voyager, and therefore buying you and I as customers. And they will be running the platform afterwards. Or Voyager is liquidating everything in order to pay off their debts, and then they will be completely restructured and try to rebuild their program after the bankruptcy. So one of those two things is happening, but I guess the bids are going to be revealed on the 29th. I wouldn't say we get the money back on the 29th. Whoever buys them out would have to set up whatever plan they have and still allow using the platform or move the crypto to another platform. Yeah, one only Bronson. I hope it stays on the same platform so that we can just like make it one step easier. And honestly, I really liked the user interface and the simplicity of Voyager. So as opposed to moving, like FTX comes in, Gemini comes in, whatever. Instead of moving all of our stuff over to FTX or Gemini and stuff like that, I wouldn't mind them keeping Voyager open. I don't care if they change the name, Voyager 2.0 if they want. I wouldn't mind them keeping that open, and then we just, we're under new management or whatever. Sure, we have some developers and fraud testers here. Let's get started. Let's do it. DD214. Facts, man. It would be very nice. DD214, king of the Discord too. Better be, man. Better be. King of the chat. King of the chat and the Discord. I love it. We could have DD214, king of the chat today. Yes, DD214, you have been crowned king. You have been crowned king. LUNC, any new news, bro? Vertex, 00, baby. Good question. J bro hitting DD214 up in the Discord. I like it. Guys, if you are not in the Discord, let me ask you why. I know there's like 2 minutes left. Pin that. If you guys want to join the Discord, there you go. Join the Discord. Links at the top of the screen. 15 minutes left in the workday. Frank, dude, I love it. So any new news for LUNC? No. I have not seen any new news. Obviously, some of the numbers constantly update. The burn numbers constantly update. Staking numbers are constantly updating. It can be trending on different websites, stuff like that. But as far as like actual news regarding burns or anything, I have not seen anything new. Bulldog, what's going on, Bulldog? Yeah, man, if you want to raid, go raid. We're on here for 2 more minutes, though, man, so it's completely up to you if you want to do it or not. And thank you very much, hitting 100K. Guys, if you don't know Bulldog Trading, also got a very nice channel and live stream there. Make sure to check out Bulldog Trading as well. You're such a hard worker, but still listens all the time. Take it, King DD. Take it, man. I agree with JB and Pika. DD214 for the King. Yes, man. What time is it? John J. Boom, baby. What time is it, man? Dabbing on him. Where's Crypto Rocketeer? Has anybody seen Crypto Rocketeer lately? We need to find Crypto Rocketeer. What's your take on the Shiba Baker Fluffle? I don't even know what the Shiba Baker Fluffle is right now, Remy. Oh my gosh. What's going on with Shiba Bay? Who's kerfluffling around here? Asset liquidation auction. I think somebody told me that, man. So they're like selling off all of their office equipment and stuff like that. I don't know if that necessarily means that they're being taken over and bought out by another company, or if they're just being forced to liquidate all of their assets at this point. So, yeah, Pudgy, I did hear that before as well. Shiba Bone is up 3% today. Very nice. Taco Tuesday and Fireburn Wednesday. Let's make it happen. Moonshot, sorry. Crypto Rocketeer might be a bit harder to find. Anyone over in Sweden? Yes, that's where he is. That is where he is, man. Sweden. To click skip my super chat, my internet cut out. No, I did skip it. Your internet, it was fine, man. It was me. Just remember, Dark Bro pitched that idea originally. I will always remember it when we're looking for executives. Dark Bro, you are the man. Insert disclaimer right here. Dark Bro, absolutely, dude. And very, very sorry that I missed the super chat. I do want to say thank you very much. Oh, man. How is it 1 o'clock already? How's it 1 o'clock already? I don't even know how it's 1 o'clock already. Oh, boy. Congrats on 100K. Nick, man, thank you very much. Really appreciate that. Whoa, Cassie, I remember you. Heck yeah, Nick. Better remember Cassie. Cassie's what's up. Congrats, Clay, bro. CSAR, thank you. Low Key, thank you. Birdie Hunter, thank you. Sar, thank you. All of you guys, absolutely awesome. Pudgy, I'll do some digging during the break about... I love it, man. Pudgy's our Voyager, man. Good deal, because I did hear that, and I didn't look into it too much, but... wave to say hi, man. We got Ronmon Patrick showing up, QSDDRT showing in the Discord there. Much love, Clay bro, from Bulldog Trading. Bulldog Trading, thank you guys very much. If you don't, man, make sure to check out Bulldog Trading. Subscribe if you want to watch videos, live streams. Watch videos, live streams. If not, still subscribe, man. Show you some support, all that good stuff. Doing a lot of hard work out there. Bulldog, absolutely, man. Thank you very much for bringing everybody in here, smashing that like button and all of that good stuff. I was harassed to come in here and give you this. Well, grumpy old man, that's positive harassment, dude. That's positive harassment. Cryptocurrency Sweden says hello. Arga soon. Hello to you. Glad you're in here. I can't believe it's 1 o'clock already, though. Guys, that went extremely fast. We love Grumpy. Perfect. We are going to be getting off here for right now. We will be back for the afternoon live stream. Absolutely appreciate everybody that came in here. Get your names in the chat. DC88 already knows what's going to happen, man. Get your names in the chat, and we'll do some shout-outs, and then we will be back this afternoon, man. Bulldog Trading, shout out to you. Sar, shout out to you. Argo, Bulldog, DD214, Sar, the DC88. Say it together, man. You guys already know. Don, see you later. JB, it is 1 o'clock. Wana, if you are out there, I miss you, Wana. I miss you. Please, please, please stay with us. Pika, DD, check out the Discord. Definitely check out the Discord. King Mamba, Digital Error, see you later. Bulldog Trading, FOMO, Vecna, see you later. Vertex, Pika Power, Moonshot, D's, Frank, V for Vodka, John J. We got Bulldog Trading, Chris Nixon, see you later, man. Putty and Pudgy, oh yes. Have an awesome day. Pika Power already knows what I'm going to say. How do you guys know what I'm going to say before I even say it? I don't even know. Now I'm going to have to start changing things up. One and only Bronson, I guess I will do dishes now. Thanks, Clay. Well, you are welcome, man. I appreciate that. Anybody doing dishes, taking care of the house. Heck yeah. Chris, man, peace out to you. Remy, enjoy your afternoon, DD214, and you guys know what time it is. So if you want to say it with me, SD, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.